Hello, how are you? Now, today we are going to start our next chapter, Olympic Value Education. Unit 2, Olympic Value Education. In this, we have 4 points, main points: Olympic, Paralympic, Special Olympic. Then 2.2 is Olympic symbols, ideals, objective and value of Olympism. Then 2.3 International Olympic Committee. Then after that, Indian Olympic Association, IOA. Right? Now the point is, what is Olympic? You know, everybody know about Olympic Games. Olympic game. It's a, you can say that it's a, हिंदी में बोलते हैं, it's a कुंभ of every games. It's a कुंभ of every game. It's a great participation in Olympic. It's a great honor itself. It is the biggest game in the world to participate in the Olympic game. It's a great achievement by a player. It's a desire, it's a dream of every player to participate in Olympic. Now, first of all, we should know about Olympic. What is Olympic? Now, Olympic movement is a wide term. Olympic movement is a wide term. Olympic itself a big name. It's give the understanding of Olympic participation in the its activity in past and present, along with the development of the game and sports of competition, or more appropriately, we can say that it is the link between Asian Olympic Games and modern Olympic Games and development of competitive sports activity at various level. In this everything is there. Everything is there. It's, you can say that it's a cream of every game. For better understanding, it is important to know the journey of Asian Olympic game to modern Olympic game. What is now it is Asian Olympic game from 776 BC to 393 AD. Early time now, everybody wants to spend their time in playing games for fun's sake, for entertainment. Now, but the Asian time, there is a one person. It's called Hercules. Hercules is the strongest man in the earth, on the earth, or so history revealed the Hercules come to Olympia to offer a sacrifice of God Zeus. एक गॉड होता था भगवान ज़्यूस, उसको सेक्रीफाइस करने के लिए ही सेलिब्रेट हिज विक्ट्री बाय organizing an athletic contest, and gradually these games were forgotten until when Epirus became the king of Elis. एक स्टेट, एक जगह का नाम है एलिस, वहाँ पर उसका ऐसा हुआ था. ड्यूरिंग द सेंचुरी ऑफ ग्रीक फेस सिविल वार and three kings, Elis, Sparta and Pythia, in Greece conclude the treaty known as Sacred Trace. Around 776 BC, these games were organized at the city named Olympia as their religious festival, and form the Olympic game achieved some important and representative. The whole Greek used to gather at Olympia exhibition their unity. एक जगह होती थी ओलंपिया, जहाँ पर सारे लोग इकट्ठे होते थे और अपनी विक्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट करते थे, गेट टुगेदर करते थे फॉर अ फन सेक. राइट. दीज गेम वर हेल्ड इन द ऑनर ऑफ गॉड ज़्यूस. एक ज़्यूस नाम का एक भगवान होता था, उसको खुश करने के लिए, उसकी पूजा अर्चना करने के लिए दे सेलिब्रेट दिस गेम. who once appeared in the ground of Olympia. The people of Olympia constructed a magnificent temple of god Zeus and start the tradition of to other sacrifice. Later, son of Zeus, Hercules started various games and sports in the honor of his father. Hercules जो था वो ज्यूस का बेटा था और अपने पिता की याद में वो ही ये गेम्स वगैरह सेलिब्रेट करता था. तब ये स्टार्ट होते थे. देन Olympic model games, modern Olympic games, and the second point is modern Olympic game. The reveal work of the game was undertaken by Baron Perrin de Coubertin nearly 1503 years after the last Asian game. The French research delegation, which was led by Perry Baron de Coubertin, went to Greece, and there they got archaeological run of city of Olympia. During a during a conference of Sorbonne, he first said the restoration of Olympia games. The, the further added that the game would strengthen amateur sports to give them strength and lasting quality of an essential role of the world of modern education. The team of delegation was formed, which was led by Perry Baron de Coubertin and associate the Create International Olympic Committee to oversees them, and due to their hard effort, the first modern Olympic Games held in 1896 at Athens, Greece. Since then these games are held every 4 year. हर 4 साल में ये गेम होते हैं, और जो इसका सारा जो श्रेय जाता है, सारे जो एफर्ट्स होते हैं, दैट इज बाय बारोन पेरियन de Coubertin, right? Then first point is Olympic, Paralympic and Special Olympic. Now in this we have few key points: Asian Olympic, Modern Olympic, Athens, Baron de Coubertin, International Olympic Committee, Paralympic, Paralympic motto, Paralympic symbols, Paralympic oath, Special Olympic logo, Olympic motto, Olympic symbols, Indian Olympic Association, Sir Dorabji Tata and Dr. Neuren. This is the key point that you have to remember. Now second is Olympic, Paralympic and Special Olympic. Olympic, you know Olympic, the word Olympic movement means the effort which were taken during the period between Asian Olympic Games to the organization of modern Olympic Games. It is comparison to the other games. Olympic Games is a unique because athletic from all over the world participating in it. This is the great tournament. Millions of spectators come to see these games, and these games represent the international unity and brotherhood. These games are considered to be the highest level of the means nothing big competition than Olympic Games. This is the topmost game, you can say. These games are organized every 4 years. Lots of people gather just to see the glimpses of opening ceremony of these games, which is followed by the competition of various games, and at last closing ceremony take place. The objective of Olympic Games is to promote games and sports in the world, to understand the history of Olympic Games, which should be aware of Asian Games as well as the modern Olympic Games. Olympic Games are organized after 4 years. Olympic by the government body named by the International Olympic Association, International Olympic Committee, including National Olympic Association, International Sports Organization, player, referees, coaches, Olympic Games Organization Committee, Manifesto of Olympic, etc., etc. Now this is the year and the venue of the modern Olympic game held. You can see the chart. It is started from 1896, then 900, 904, 908, 912, right? City is Greece, Athens, then Greece country. Number of participation only 13. Just see 1896, right? 100 year back. Then number of activity only 9. Main features only the men athletes swimming, gymnastic and wrestler, and horse riding, nothing else. Then 1900, city is Paris, France, only 22, comparatively little more. Then number of activities 17. Motto announced women participation allowed. 1900 जब स्टार्ट हुआ तो वुमेन्स को भी पार्टिसिपेट. देन 914 4 सेंट लुइस यूएस. Number of countries 12, again less than, only 4 participation. Proper sports kit compulsory for the player. Then 1908 London, England, 22 countries, 21 games. Racial differences were seen. उसमें भेदभाव स्टार्ट होना शुरू हो गया, रंग वगैरह और all that. 1912 Stockholm, Sweden, 28 countries, then only 4 activity. Women took part in swimming also. Then you can see that 1916 Berlin, Germany, no held due to World War I. Right, this is the chart you can see. Then 1920, 1924, 1928, 1932, 46, 46, 37, 49, 1936 Berlin, 49 Indian won World Cup hockey again. Right, in 1922-28 Amsterdam, Holland, Indian torch was hand. India won first world gold medal in hockey. Then 1936 Indian won again straight 3 days, 3 continuous years. Tokyo, due to Second World War, not held. Same thing has happened. Then 1948 England, 59 countries, 58, 50. Now the next is 2020, 14, 28 Paris, France, scheduled to be held. This is the Olympic game, right?